Hey, it's Steve. MS is more common in Western countries, and the difference between diets is important. Only problem is, studies relating diet to MS have been inconclusive. But for us, we know, study or not, it's important. There is a strong connection between the stomach and the brain. You've probably heard the term leaky gut, right? It's a very simplified term for the reduced barrier of gut microbes from the intestine to the body. This reduced ability to stop that permeability has many negative consequences. Particular bacteria that have been studied have been seen promoting signals from an altered gut microbiota that increases inflammation. The huge thing you can start right now is intermittent fasting. I've gone to the extreme of eating just one meal a day, and the benefits are immense. Fasting gives the GI tract needed rest from the burden of digestion and food processing. But combining fasting and diet can substantially change our gut microbiome away from all-day inflammation and leaky gut. I start my daily morning meal with a pumpkin seed muffin and a cup of coffee. Pumpkin seeds are full of antioxidants and reduce inflammation. Then I start to focus on my microbiome. Prebiotics are an important part of an anti-inflammatory diet because they support the microbiome. Black beans are a rich source of fiber that can be broken down in the large intestine by the microbiome into short-chain fatty acids. These are important fats that reduce intestinal permeability and keep food inflammation from interfacing with the immune system. Also, black beans inhibit the JNK-CJUN pathway, a key metabolic pathway that has many functions in regulating the inflammatory responses. The role of eggs in a healthy diet has been debated for many decades. The main reason behind the American Heart Foundation's recommendation to limit egg intake is due to the link between cholesterol found in egg yolks and the risk of heart disease. However, what has been less clear is whether the amount of cholesterol in your diet is important in determining the amount of cholesterol found in your blood. The current understanding is that although the amount of cholesterol in your diet does have a small impact in your blood cholesterol levels, the intake of foods that are a rich source of saturated or trans fat is much more important. This study shows that egg consumption has no significant effect on serum biomarkers of inflammation in adults, including eggs as part of the fasting diet can be an important source of nutrients and protects the microbiome against a leaky gut. I love oatmeal. Oats are a dry grain that is full of soluble fiber. Dietary fiber is a protective nutrient for the intestinal barrier. It contributes to maintaining the microbiota. in a healthy state. But be warned, stay hydrated. When the oatmeal reaches the stomach, it has a tendency to absorb all liquids. If your body is not fully hydrated, this could lead to the feeling of an upset stomach. So make sure to always drink plenty of water. Leafy greens like romaine lettuce are essential for feeding the good gut bacteria. One such protective strain is E. coli. It supports the protective barrier against leaky gut and prevents growth and colonization of the bad bacteria. I cover my salad with balsamic vinegar. The main active component in balsamic vinegar is acetic acid, which contains strains of probiotic bacteria. With my salad, I had a handful of walnuts. Walnuts in the diet increases the diversity of good bacteria, which is very important. I also topped my salad with chicken breast. It's a lean white meat that is a good source of protein, essential for building the muscle needed to fight MS. I can't find any literature that states chicken breast protects against leaky gut, but it's commonly assumed it is. I've seen many leaky gut recipes contain chicken breast. Now, when it comes to inflammation, there are many studies that suggest that a healthy diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, legumes like black beans, whole grains like oatmeal, and chicken breast are associated with lower inflammation. Besides chicken breast, another one of my major sources of protein are my whey shakes. They contain milk, whey protein, and berries. The protein found in milk and whey has been shown to increase certain types of probiotics that are only fed with the prebiotics found in dairy. That's my powerful fasting diet that fights multiple sclerosis. When you adopt a similar diet with similar foods, not only will it fight MS, but it will support the other essential elements that reinforce recovery. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Until the next one.